Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start this reading report, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Alia Humera with student ID 2310733036. So, for this topic, uh, is about syntax. So, the part of grammar that represents someone knowledge is called a syntax. We have to understand what is syntax structure, and we have to uh, determine the role for the structure. Because, for example, for the sentence, the cat chased the dog, it doesn't have the same meaning with the dog chased the cat, even though they have the same words. It's different based on structure. Then another example is uh, she has what the man wants, meaning that this person, the woman, she have, uh, for example, that man wants a watch and that woman own it, so he has what the man wants, and it's different from the sentence, she wants what the man has. Uh, she wants what the man has. The meaning is the woman, she wants what that man has. For example, that man has a car, so she wants that car also. So yeah, even though the words are the same, the structure are different. So we have to determine the roles of for structure. So every sentence is a sequence of words, right? And it follows the rules of syntax that are uh, well formed and has grammatically. And those sentences that do not follow the rules are called ungrammatical. So when you speak a language, maybe for example this one, English, uh, we can actually like instantly recognize which sentence that sounds right and how a word should be ordered or formed to give a specific idea. Even if you have never heard that word before or never never seen that word, but you can understand because you know the rules of syntax, like how the word it fits together. Like for you know the difference between the cat chase the dog and the dog chase the cat. Even though they use the same words, their meaning change based on the structure. The sentence can be broken using what we call phrase structure phrase structure tree, which can be show the structure and the orders of words. So the syntactic categories, for example, like a noun phrase or verb phrase, they can tell us which groups of this word have the role of. For example, in the sentence, the cat chased the dog. So the cat is the noun phrase. Then we have chased the dog as the verb phrase. There are types of syntactic categories. First, we have what we call phrasal categories, like noun phrase or verb phrase that can be separated into several parts. And we have what we call lexical categories, like noun or verbs. And we have functional categories for for example, like auxiliary verbs, uh, like he is, will, and it can give us more information on tenses or maybe agreement. So then we also have what we call phrase structure rules, which explain how phrase should be ordered, right? For example, uh, English usually follow this rule: subject, then we have verb, then we add object, like the cat as a subject, then we have chase as a verb, then we have the dog as object. This is called or part of the syntactic form, the structure of the sentence that type. Now, there is also a syntactic class, which are the group of words that have the same function, like verbs or nouns. Syntactic function, it describes what role of words or phrase that have in a sentence, like subject, object, or as a complement. When we separate the sentence, we're doing what we call a syntactic analysis. We check how the words are grouped and how they function together and how like they fit together. So this uh, syntactic analysis, it can help us to understand not just a simple sentence but also a complex sentence where because there is sentence that embedded or have a sentence that in a sentence that in another sentence, like for example in a question. Then we have transformation rules, and these are like a shortcuts that to change to form a sentence without changing the basic meaning. For example, we're gonna use this: the cat is chasing the dog, but we want to turn it into a question. So we change the structure. It becomes, is the cat chasing the dog? So this change can help us to understand the structure of the basic meaning of the sentence and how it sound or look when it was spoken. So and there is also universal grammar, but I don't remember it very well. But yeah, so that's it uh for the reading report. Thank you.